moving.
Yes,
You are not interested in moving.
please protect the right of the public.
I shall now put clause 18 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 18 is adopted. Clause 19 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 21 by Dr. V. Sivadasan. Are you moving the amendment?
Sir, you please
Yes or no? You are
protect
not
the right of
interested.
the opposition,
You
sir.
are not interested.
You are not very
I shall now put clause 19 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 19 is adopted. Insertion of new clauses 19A and 19B. There is one amendment for insertion of new clauses 19A and 19B, number 22 by Dr. V. Sivadasan. Are you moving the amendment?
Sir, democratic rights
Nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record. You have to say yes or no. That's all. Clause 20 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 20 is adopted. The preamble stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The preamble is adopted. Clause 1 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 14 by Dr. V. Sivadasan. Are you moving the amendment?
Sir, the right of the opposition should
Yes,
be protected,
you are not
sir.
interested
You
in
are
moving.
not
You have to say yes and no only. I shall now put clause 1 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1 is adopted. The enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The enacting formula and the title are adopted. Shri Ashwini Vaishnav to move that the bill be passed.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to move that the bill be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed. The House is adjourned for 10 minutes.
There has been a huge ruckus inside the Rajya Sabha as the online gaming bill was brought in the Rajya Sabha and opposition members had been raising slogans. We understand now the bill has been passed amid a huge ruckus inside the Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha earlier had cleared the bill, after which it was brought to the Rajya Sabha today. But there has been huge pandemonium inside the Rajya Sabha today with opposition MPs shouting slogans. The bill bans money-based games while promoting esports and social gaming, and it has been supported by several MPs, but criticized by some. That also includes Congress party. Well, the bill aims to address the growing concerns about gaming addiction, money laundering and financial fraud in online platforms. And well, the bill now has been passed in the Rajya Sabha. Well, the online gaming bill earlier was cleared in Lok Sabha, and a day later, as it was brought to the Rajya Sabha, there has been huge ruckus inside the Rajya Sabha. We'll try and understand as to what the opposition's objection has been so far. But this is the big breaking news coming in at the moment with the bill now clearing getting passed inside the Rajya Sabha. There will be ban on real money games and there will be penalties on endorsements also. This is what the bill includes. The IT Ministry had earlier introduced rules for online gaming, and this is being seen as a departure from just about 2 years ago from that move. And we understand now, after the Lok Sabha had passed the promotion and regulation of online gaming bill, just minutes after it was introduced in the House yesterday, it was brought to the Rajya Sabha today, but there has been massive sloganeering inside the Rajya Sabha by the opposition MPs. Well, this is something the government says has been important and significant. That was something very much essential to be brought. It bans real money online games. and also instances of gambling addiction, money laundering, financial frauds had come to the fore, after which this legislation had to be brought as per the government. The legislation we understand had been brought to the Rajya Sabha for approval to become a law, and this move by the government definitely is going to affect the billion-dollar gaming industry here in India. But the government making it clear that this was something that was very much essential and has been brought for the benefit of the common man. My colleague Ankit also now joining us on the broadcast. Ankit, big development now coming in. Online gaming bill has been cleared by the Rajya Sabha as well.
That's right. One of the important legislations that was brought into this monsoon session of the Parliament. Remember, the government has been saying that not much work has happened as far as the current monsoon session of the Parliament is concerned. The Lok Sabha is signed in. Now, with the online gaming bill, the government says the aim is, because the kind of money that is being used, all those fantasy teams, the government feels that is gambling. It is habit forming, and there are no regulations as far as all these online gaming platforms are concerned, and hence it becomes important not only to regulate it but also to bring about this kind of legal backing behind this, so that at least online betting and all the other fantasy leagues and poker and so forth, all that in a way there is of course some legal mandate to how they are run in this country. Now there have been many controversies around it. This has also gone into the court as well, where the people, those who are behind all these online gaming platforms, they believe that it is a game of skill. It's not luck. It's not gambling. Now, what happens after the passage of this bill is now goes? The government says that it will, of course, they will be able to regulate this industry, which is growing, and a lot of money is in fact on the line as far as this industry is concerned. And apart from that, they are encouraging ethical gaming. There are some standards and codes that will come in, and this is only to weed out, as far as the government is concerned, weed out those who are indulging in betting and addicting a lot of people to this kind of online setup which people in the country at this moment are using.